Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create Instagram stories in Figma templates you can reuse. Have you ever wanted to create eye-catching Instagram stories, but felt a bit lost or overwhelmed by the myriad of design tools out there? Don't worry, you're not alone. Whether you're new to design or simply short on time, this tutorial is tailor-made for you. We're going to walk through the process step by step, showing you how to craft stunning Instagram stories using Figma's easy templates and built-in tools. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to create impressive Instagram stories quickly and effortlessly, customizing them to reflect your unique style or brand. So, let's jump right in and get started. To kick things off, we're going to focus on saving time and energy by using templates instead of starting from a blank canvas. Sometimes, staring at an empty page can be daunting and can slow down your creative process or even cause a bit of a block. Utilizing templates is like giving yourself a head start. They provide a well-designed foundation that you can easily tailor to your liking. So, let's dive into how you can leverage these templates in Figma. First, head over to the Template and Tools section within Figma. In the search bar, type Instagram Stories, and you'll see a variety of ready-made designs appear. These templates are specifically crafted with the right dimensions for Instagram, which means you won't have to worry about any awkward cropping or sizing issues later. This not only saves you time, but also guarantees that your stories will appear crisp and professional once you post them. Take a moment to browse through the available options. There's no rush. Select a template that truly resonates with the vibe you're aiming for. Whether you're looking for something bold and modern or something more subtle and minimal, there's likely a template that fits your vision. Once you've found a template that speaks to you, go ahead and open it in Figma. This is where the fun really begins. The beauty of using a template is its flexibility. You're not stuck with the default colors, fonts, or imagery. You have the freedom to update the text, swap out photos for your own, adjust shapes, change backgrounds, and tweak colors to perfectly align with your brand or personal style. Think of this as playing with building blocks. You can rearrange elements, add new design features, or remove anything that doesn't quite fit your narrative. Perhaps you want to replace the placeholder text with a catchy headline of your own or showcase a product by inserting your own photograph. You might also want to adjust colors to match your brand palette or experiment with Figma's design tools to try out a unique font. Take your time with this process and enjoy the creative freedom. This is your chance to make the story truly yours. Once you're satisfied with your customized design, it's time to integrate it into your Instagram workflow. Simply select the entire story design, copy it, and decide how you want to proceed. You can paste it into your Figma project if it's part of a larger campaign or export it as an image to upload directly to Instagram. This step offers great flexibility. No matter how far you choose to customize your story, Figma provides the tools you need to make it happen. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've created a fully personalized Instagram story using Figma's templates and tools. You've saved heaps of time while still making your creative mark. Remember, if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. It really supports the creation of more content like this. If you have questions about Figma, Instagram stories, or anything else related to design, leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy creative tutorials just like this one. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to create Instagram stories in Figma templates you can reuse. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe so you never miss an update.